Hey everybody, this is Mr. Limak here, and today we are going to have English class. Welcome everybody. Please open your books on page 74. 74 from your English book, all right? So let's review some pages. Some of those pages you guys have done before. Now it's time for review some of those pages, all right? Let's do that. The first question of page 74 is the question, how many means of transportation can you see? Então, página 74, question 3. How many means of transportation can you see? Color the quantities of the next page. On the next page. So we should count how many means of transportation, how many planes, how many helicopters, how many ships, how many trains, how many buses, how many cars, how many bikes, all right? So for example, here we have one train, one ship, two ships, 3 airplanes, 2 helicopters, and 4 cars, all right? So counting. And going on a little bit, now we are going to take notes of the number of means of transportation we just saw on the last page. Here we have how many planes, how many ships, how many trains, buses, trucks, and bicycles we had on the last page. All right. Airplanes, we have three airplanes. Ooh, 3 airplanes, only 3. Ships. Ships. Navios, 2 ships. Train, 1 ship. Sorry, trains, one, only 1 train. What about buses? 2 buses. Only 1 truck, you can see here, and 3 bicycle. So, 3 aviões, 2 navios, 1 trem, 2 ônibus, 1 caminhão e 3 bicicletas, okay? Now, here, we worked on the last class, but I'm reviewing the vocabulary. So now we should form the sentence, okay? Forming the sentence, we have the train is brown. The train is brown. So let's review that. The train is brown. The train is brown. So we are talking about the color of the means of transportation. Then here we have the bus is green. The bus is green. We are talking about the color of the means of transportation called bus. It's very common here. In Olinda, it's very common here. And Recife CBD, right? Going on, the next sentence, we have the truck is yellow. The truck is yellow. So the color of the truck's color is yellow. The truck is yellow, as you guys can see on the picture. Going on a little bit, we have the bicycle is blue. The bicycle is blue. The bicycle is blue. Blue is the color of the bicycle, right? Let's go on a little bit. 76. On page 76, let's correct a little bit and review some of those pages. Those pages were from last week class, okay? Let's review, and in this page we have Write the means of transportation in three different groups. We have worked, já falei, nós já vimos. Estamos revisando um pouco esse conteúdo. Write the means of transportation in three different groups. So we are going to group them in three different groups. All right? We have the air means of transportation. Air means of transportation, they work, they function on the air. We have the land means of transportation. They work on land. And we also have the water means of transportation. They work on the water. On the water. They are water means of transportation. All right, guys? Cool. Okay, let's go on. The air means of transportation, the only air means of transportation that we have here are the helicopter and the airplane. They work on air. Ok? Eles funcionam, eles trabalham no ar, são aéreos. Land means of transportation. Land means of transportation. São terrestres. Can you see? Which ones can you see here? So we have bus, car, motorcycle, and train. Is there anyone else? Is there anyone else? No, only those ones. So land, we have car, repeat please, train, bus, motorcycle, and that's all. Okay, and on the water, the only one on the water that you can see is a ship. Ship. Pum, 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 pum. It's a ship one. Okay, guys. Is that all right? Okay, I hope it is. So we have a water means of transportation. Only one, it's a ship one. Ok, então uma vez que a gente já revisou esses meios de transporte, os aéreos, os terrestres, os aquáticos, let's go to the next topic. Now, you guys should, what? You guys should color the means of transportation according to the sentence. So I'll give you guys around, I don't know, 5 minutes. I hope 5 minutes is okay for you guys to find, to color those pictures according to the sentence. Então, eu vou dar para vocês em torno de alguns 5 minutos, mais ou menos, para colorir, certo? As imagens de acordo com as sentenças dessa página, que é página 77. Ok? Então, tentem compreender as sentenças e pintar os meios de transporte de acordo com as sentenças, começando de agora. Oi, oi. Third grade. Então, I'm back. Let's correct the sixth question. Então, qual are the means of transportation? Então, this car is green. Portanto, pintar o carro de verde. This train is gray. Pintar o trenzinho de cinza. This airplane is red. Pintar o aviãozinho de vermelho. This truck is orange. Pintar o caminhãozinho de laranja. This ship is blue. This ship is blue. Pintar o navio, portanto, de azul. A continuação aqui, temos how they go to school. How they go to school. Eu pergunto para vocês. How they go to school. Nós temos Mariazinha e Joãozinho. Mariana goes to school by... Qual o meio de transporte? What means of transportation? Nós temos, repeat to me, by train. By train. What about John? John goes to school by bicycle. Então, completem aí, amores, by bicycle. Ok? So, right now, we are on page 78. 78. Mariana goes to school by train. John goes to school by bicycle. Então, estou perguntando como eles vão para a escola, o método de meio de transporte, certo? Eles vão para a escola de ônibus, de trem, no caso de Mariana, de bicicleta, no caso de John. What about those two guys? What about eles? Sobre eles. Por exemplo, Felipe e Caio. They go to school by bus. They go to school by bus. Como vocês podem ver, pode ser um ônibus de condução, ou ônibus de coletivo, transporte público. By bus. They go to school by bus. What about Julia? Julia go to school by car. By car. Esse é o meio com que ela se locomove. By car. They go to school on foot. They go to school on foot. Esse é o meio com que eles se locomovem on foot. Quando a gente fala a pé, a gente não usa o by, a gente usa on foot. É o meio com que eles se locomovem. Ok? 7, 8. Após 7, 8, eu quero que vocês tentem encaixar os meios de transporte aqui, ó, aéreos, jogando em casa, certo? Vocês vão separar, vocês vão destacar esses itens aqui embaixo que tem meios de transporte. Air, means of transportation. Land, means of transportation. And water, means of transportation. And you guys will take it from your book. You guys will cut and glue on the right column. Ou seja, vocês vão cortar e colar na coluna correta. As colunas são air, water and land. Air, water and land. Então, temos veículos aquáticos, veículos terrestres, veículos aéreos, e vocês vão colocar na coluna correta. Ok, amores? Assim a gente finaliza a nossa aula de hoje, lembrando para vocês que, para casa, vocês terão que apenas lembrar de trazer, né, o livro Brick by Brick Hands-On para quem está no presencial, que na terça-feira, na aula de Conversation, nós iremos usar, na realidade, será uma atividade de casa que eu vou passar para vocês. Outra coisa, quem estiver em casa, eu sugiro para vocês usarem o jogo na plataforma Games to Learn English. Games to Learn English. É bem legal, se vocês forem lá, na opção, deixa eu projetar aqui para vocês, na opção Fast English, será bem legal, ó, Games to Learn English. Vocês podem ter uma variedade de vocabulários para trabalhar. Por exemplo, aqui, ó, food. Vocês podem jogar. A plataforma vai sugerir uma palavrinha e vocês vão, por exemplo, aqui, ó, corn, escolher watermelon, melancia, e vocês podem seguir jogando e praticar o vocabulário. Ok, guys? I'll see you next class. Bye.